Hi there, I'm Catherine the Great, and today I am going to show you how you can start working with MakeCode to install new programs on your Blue Moon Designs programmable pendant. So MakeCode is a website that is designed to make programming chips really easy. So microcontrollers, you'll see all these different kinds of microcontrollers for hobbyists and makers and education. This is used a lot in educators. It is made by Microsoft, obviously you can see, but it's a really great programming tool because it's all of the different snippets of code fit together like puzzle pieces. So pretty much you can't put in any code that you can't do because the system knows, okay, this isn't going to work. They're different shaped puzzle pieces. You'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. So one of the cool features of MakeCode is that you can actually use image files like this PNG document I'm about to drag and drop to share projects and to save projects for later. It also uses cookies in your browser, so if you come back to something later on, in several months, you should still see it if you're using the same browser that you were using before. So as you can see, this is the program that I'm using right now for the Gemma Programmable Pendant. That's the smaller format that I sell of light up necklace. This one's all apart, but you can see it's got the Gemma board, which you can see a little picture of on the side there, and it's running the program as a demonstration. And so you can see all of the different puzzle pieces that you can change and manipulate in order to, show up different colors. A lot of coding is about math, so you can see I have it set to pick random numbers. This controls the LED, like the individual LED that it shows up to. These things like hue, set, and value, those control the colors. So there's a lot of different, this has 7 different modes. So you can see here they're set into functions. I've got the watercolors, the fire colors, the white colors, the pink and purple colors. I'm gonna make this bigger for you. And so there's just a lot of different things that went into this. But pretty much the way that I created this code was I figured out how to do it once with the fiery colors, which I love. And then that allowed me to, all that's different between these different functions is I just changed the color numbers. So I changed the hue, saturation, and value to be either in the red to orange spectrum or blues and teals spectrum, or, kind of different shades of white, different shades of green, pink and purple. So that's really what I borrowed some code from some of the tutorials on Adafruit, which is the website where I get all of my chips and batteries and supplies. And there's a lot of great things, there where you can learn how to work with different colors and different features of the boards that you have. Particularly, I'll say for the Circuit Playground Express, because of the onboard sensors that are in there. The Gemma doesn't have sensors, so if you have the smaller format of light up pendant, it's just going to be lights. But you could always try adding on sensors. That might be pretty cool. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Please have fun. Please enjoy. When you are ready to put your program on your board, I have another video that shows how you actually plug in the hardware. But when you're ready with the software piece of it, on MakeCode, you would just click this download button, and it's going to download it to your desktop as a UF2 file. So that's something that speaks specifically to this type of board. It's a specific, it's specific to Arduino programs, and then it shows up on your desktop, and you're ready to install it on your board. Happy programming!